What did your lamp now broke, man? Alright guys, so the last time we saw where the holes were going through, so they're just going to use the strips and put it onto the wall. Until not a wall, the board. Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania. Guess what guys, today we will be painting Mr. Smith's house. So guys, I want you to tune in. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel as we paint Mr. Smith's house. Oh yeah, only Mr. Smith did for make one cabinet for. Not Asha? On board right here. Oh, Careman cabinet. Careman and Mr. Smith.
Go to the next one. Put the paint on.
So as much paint would they do for the
It's only one yellow now, or the yellow see?
Which one are the yellow?
The yellow for the inside.
So it's only 2 for the inside. You hear Mr. Win? It's 2 for the inside. Only this would I leave for the outside. This and the white.
Okay, so it's 2 yellow over there.
Yeah, them 2 there would have been for the inside.
Oh, you use one of the blue already?
Yes. Zai, just want to go walk up and down, you know.
Soon I won't cover.
So 2 yellow and 1 blue leaf.
You like one download?
Oh, cherry.
Oh, an oil paint?
Yeah. You want it just like that.
What, that looks stylish, you know? with the part when not, yeah.
Well, the paint your dial is still thick.
That's what you want, man.
I touch your water in
What, how much?
My gun. Woo! I made it, I open it. So the yellow paint do? Ooh, okay.
The first coat I got it.
So you're going to the second coat. Is the one thing that do the hold on? The one paint do the 2 coat?
Well, you want to paint that one faster than the rest of the time. That's what it is. That dial
You alright? So you're glad to say paint now?
yes, miss. And don't go here, miss. Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So guys, the first coat is on it and they're going to put on the second coating now. So this is how the first coating looks. And then when they put on the second coating, I'm going to record again to show you guys. So in here, so finish. Ah? Hey, that's what I say next side, just not go paint. So we don't have no more paint.
And still want the next coat that keep run. Now I want coat to finalize it.
For the blue?
No, man, for the yellow.
Oh. But this look nice. The blue on the outside. Yeah. So come on, good. So guys, we can do handing over now. This is the house. And then about paint here, so
The white.
with the white.
Yeah.
I'm going to get some curtains. So I'm going to put in the curtains the next time you see me. And all of that. So the room was painted and everything. So guys, this is good. So you're just going to paint here now. Next time we'll see. So guys, the next time you see us, we will be handing over this house to Mr. Smith. And guys, we just want to thank you for the love and the support that you have been given, and I want you to always support Mr. Smith the best way possible. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.